Are you thinking about downsizing? The first step isn't about finding your next home. It's about understanding the value of the home you're in.
That's why equity is phase 2 of our next chapter method, helping you and guiding you to give you confidence and clarity.
One of the biggest surprises we see in Triangle homeowners over the age of 55,
They don't actually realize how much equity they're sitting on.
that's right. If you've owned a home in Raleigh, Cary, Apex, Wake Forest for the last 15, 20, or 30 years, the growth is probably significant. As of late 2022 and early 2023, over 56% of Triangle homeowners are said to be equity rich.
And that equity can change everything when it comes to your next chapter. So when we work with clients through this move, we talk about questions like, should you buy before you sell? What repairs should you make to the home in order to prepare it for selling? What are property taxes going to look like on the property that you downsize to? Is downsizing even right? Should we look at other options for you? And we walk you through all of those.
The right timing in this market can mean the difference between a good move and a transformative one. This is phase 2 of the next chapter method, equity.
If you want to understand what that equity could unlock for you and your next move, comment equity and we'll provide you with a comprehensive and accurate home value review.